Hello everyone, welcome to Crafting with Barbara. So we are going to be doing another haul for Temu. It's a big one. I don't know how they get everything to shove into a bag, but let's get started. So of course I had to get one of these again for you guys can see from the camera how I was telling y'all how I was doing the kitchen with this. So I just needed another little piece on the other end. It looks really nice. So now I can finish. And then hubby got 2 hats. I like this one. But those are pretty cool. Do you remember how much you paid for the hats?
I think it was like 4 or 3.
You heard that, guys. I can't remember. Like I told y'all, I can't figure out how to pull up my prices of what I paid for the things.
$4.95 for the one. $4.50 for the other.
All right. And then I got these. I don't even know what these are called. Do you know what these are called? Like when I look, I don't even. So I got these for my boy dogs.
Dog pads.
They're like training pee-pee.
Dog pads.
I don't know. Look, I don't know. But I got 2 of these. The other one's somewhere in here. I got 2 boy dogs, and I wanted to try them out and see. They used these already, but I wanted to try out a bigger size and see if they fit better. And then I have these rolls right here. I'm only going to pop one open. I ordered 3 of these. And these are like where you put like trimming or border or something. And I want to see how this is going to look. Uh-oh. Maybe it's like really stuck. Hold on. I just had scissors. Right here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. That's cool, look. So I got this like as a trim. I'm doing my bathroom and I wanted to see if this would look nice and work. We'll see. So I bought 3 rows just to make sure I got enough. If that's not enough, then I don't know. Okay, I got a mold for donuts. I am so excited about this. I was dying to get one of these. I was not trying to pay the price that they had them in Hobby Lobby. So I think I got that for like $3. I got an apron. It's supposed to be waterproof. It feels weird. But hey. Hey, that's cute. It has a bunny. That's cute. Alright. Alright, I gotta mold that. It's like for adults. So we're not gonna show that. And then I got these things. They are, I forget how many come in a pack. It doesn't say, but it brings a couple of them. And these are to make, what are they called? Dumplings. To make your own little dumplings. And it brought, I think this was $2. And it brought 1, 2, 3, 4. It brought 5 in a pack. That's not bad. I want to try these out. Might have to take at least one of them and use it to make a fake dumpling. And then here's the other one. I thought they were so cute. This one got like little robots for the dog. I'm excited about that. And then I got this mold. Decided to use this one. I will be using this for my real desserts. I think this one's pretty cool. Like the way the heart is. It's pretty deep. And I think I paid $3 for this. I believe it was. And then I have, y'all know I'm doing the lemons. So I found these adorable, I don't even take them out. I gotta get some batteries. And I found these lights to hang from this little garden thing back here. That's pretty cool. I can't wait to see them like lit up. Let's see what they look like. And then I got, oh, and I got 2 packs of those because I have one here and one up there I need to put. And then I got these adorable gnomes. I got 2 of them. I don't even want them to be lonely. Tell me that is not cute. So I got 2 of these. And then I got this little mold with like the lipstick brush and lipstick. And then I have these markers, which I have another one somewhere in here. And this is a magic pen. And this one's in silver. And I think, I don't know if the other one's in gold or what color the other one is. But I got this for my crafts. And then I got another picture. I got a frame with lemons. And then I got this cool little thing. That I thought was so cute and comes in hand. So you put it around your faucet and just clip it to where you want it to hang from. And then you put your sponge and stuff. Look, babe. And it hangs from like right here for the sponge.
Nice.
And then I got this thing. I don't know what this thing is called. But I seen it and I was like, oh, I like that. So it goes like where your faucet's at. You're supposed to put it like right there. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna put it right there. But that's pretty cool. Look. And it's good, like, lasts long. Just keep rinsing it off, washing it off. And then I got these toothpicks because I liked it the way they was. I got these just to try out. And these was like 60-some cents. And then I got a eye mask to sleep with, like an all black one where it's like really supposed to cover everything up real good. I need this. Somebody, I need this. And I got another apron. I had to get some new aprons because I get tired of looking at myself in the same one when I'm crafting. Oh, this one's cool, look. And then I just gotta put this, but they're waterproof. Because you guys know I'm always making a mess with spackle, with something. Paint. I can wipe it right off. Okay, then I got these because I want to make something. I'm waiting for something to come in to try, but I want to try with these, and they're little. They're not like regular size. They're little ones, and I don't even say how many's in here. 8. Those are cute. Can't wait to try something with that. And then I got another mold that makes a, I don't know if you guys can see, but this mold makes a, is it a beehive, babe? I think it's a beehive. I think that's what you call it, a beehive. I think that's what this one does. And then I got another one to do the macaroons, my fake macaroons, because I don't want to take forever with just one. So I figure this one was on sale for like $1, I think. So I said, let me just grab another one. Then I grabbed these little stickers that say handmade with love. You guys can see. And I fell in love with these stickers for when I make my real dessert boxes. I can like add a little sticker in the corner. Because I do make it with love. Okay, and then I got that marker, that pen that is like it cuts as well. I got that. And then I got 2 of these keychains for my boys for Father's Day. It says, if dad can't fix it, no one can. Oh, that's so cute. So I thought that was cool. And it's like a little screwdriver and little... I got 2 of these. Okay, I got a gold one. I wasn't sure what it was, but I got a gold one of the markers. And then this is like gold, rose gold liquid stuff I bought to do crafts with. And then I'm not sure what you call these. Do you know what you call these? Because it doesn't say it. I'm not sure what you call these. But you know the things you put on your clogs. And I love Halloween time because y'all know. So I got like little, it's like a whole bunch of different ones that go on. Oh my God, look at Chucky. Look how freaking cute Chucky is. Oh my goodness. It's a whole bunch of cool. Oh my God, look at Freddy Cougar. Oh my goodness. My favorite.
Is that for your clog?
Yes, babe. And there are some really cool ones in here. This was like $3, I believe. And it brings a good amount in here. It's a 20 piece for $3. That's not bad.
Oh, you put them on your clogs?
Yeah, you put them, yep.
Okay.
So 20 of them for $3. And then I have another pitcher. Lemon pitcher. Let's see what this one is. Oh, okay, this is like all the lemons. Oh, this is so cute. Look, oh my goodness. You know, look. So I gotta get all these framed or figured out. If you guys have any idea how I can get these like framed or put, that way I can hang them, comment down below, help me out. If you know there's something I could order here that I could put here to help hang them, let me know, please.
Please, because she'll make it tacky.
You know what? he wants to get beat up right on my video. Okay, guys, so we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Because let me tell you something. They love me, and I love them. So, you guys will be seeing a lot more videos. Because, like I said, I'm waiting on more packages to come. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And I will see you guys in my next haul. Bye-bye.